نعم، أنا حاضرة مع هذا. هم؟ هم. نعم، اقرأ الدرس. هل فهمتن الدرس السابع من مدينة أربيك ريدر؟ هل فهمتن الدرس السابع من مدينة أربيك ريدر؟ نعم. لأن هناك كلمات كثيرة من البوتل. نعم، في هذا الدرس أيضا، وهذا ضروري أن تذاكر درس السابع أيضا، قواعد الدرس السابع. نعم، اقرأ الدرس الحادي عشر. اقرأوا الدرس الحادي عشر. نعم، اقرأي، ولكن لا تجيبي إذا قلت لك لا تجيبين إذا قلت لك هل كتبت كلمات صعبة، فما هناك جواب. نعم، الحادي عشر. اسمعي، عشر. هم. اقرأي 3 جمل فقط. نعم، اقرأي 3 جمل فقط. ترجمي أيضا، ترجمي يا شيماء. لما قرأت هكذا؟ لا تقرأي. اقرأي وترجمي. Hmm. Until now they didn't come. Yet until now, حتى الآن. Oh, Shaima, mute your mic, please. Don't read because some voice is coming from background. Mute your mic. Don't read. Voice is coming continuously. Very loud voice is coming. Yes. حتى الآن, till now. ما جاؤوا, they didn't come. نعم. The time is 9. الساعة الآن التاسع. The time is now 9. وحتى الآن ما جاؤوا, and they didn't come till now. Yes. Underline ما جاؤوا. Underline it. I'll ask about this. this word. Yes. Now the next one. هل أنت متأكد من الموعد? Read this sentence and translate. Shema, don't. Yes, read someone else because voice is coming continue. Page number. It is 36. Page number 36. Yes. I think I have given page number also there. Chapter 11, page number 36. Yes. No. New book I have written. New book Minhajut Talim Sanvi for 10th. Everything in detail I have written in your class. And chapter also I have sent. It means you haven't seen there. You are not looking my message. Yes, Shema, read the next sentence. Shema, read the next sentence and translate it. Do quickly. Do quickly. Shema, voice is coming. To read the second sentence and after that mute your mic. Huh. Yes. Mutaakkidun. Mutaakkidun means confirm. Mutaakkidun means confirm. Minal ma'id. Ma'id. The second word comes. Muradif comes. Mi'ad. Ma'id wa mi'ad. Fixed time. Are you confirm about fixed time? Are you confirm about the fixed time? هل أنت متأكد من الموعد? Yes. Did you confirm the fixed time? The next one, موعد. موعد meme has having fatha and kalma has having kasra. This comes for zarf. Zarfe makan. موعد like majlis. Majlis, the place of sitting, and masjid, the place for sajda. Yes. Now the next sentence. Next one, anyone? Yes. Read the next sentence. Ahmadu. موجودين أو موجودين. ما هناك. Yes. Restaurant. In the restaurant. Hmm. Hmm. Exactly. Exactly. Exactly at 8 o'clock they will be present in the restaurant. Yes. Now, some words I am telling you to underline. Do quickly. I will explain after. Kunti. Kunti موجودين. نعم. And الساعة الثامنة أيضا. الساعة الثامنة. نعم. Yes. تقدمي واقرأي الجملة التالية. ما هناك عهد. أما هناك عهد. نعم. متى نادر. متى نادر. اقرأ الجملة. الجملة التالية. أمانيو. نعم. هل أنت موجود يا مهتاب نادر؟ شيخ فديان. فديان، هل أنت موجود؟ فديان. مصباح. أحمد مصباح. أحمد مصباح. اقرأ الجملة بعده. إذن لماذا تأخروا؟ اقرأ. اقرأ يا أحمد. أحمد مصباح. نو. لا. أنت قرأتي. أحمد مصباح. ما وقع. هل لا تستطيع أن تقرأ؟ نبيها. نبيها نديم. هم. هم. إلى سوق، من سوق إلى سوق. من سوق إلى سوق. يس. ترجمي. ترجمي أيضا. لا تنسي، لا تنسي. أن الترجمة. هم. ترجمي. إذن لماذا تأخروا؟ إذن ما معنى إذن؟ نبيها. ما حدث؟ إذن ما معنى إذن؟ أن لن كإذن ما معنى إذن؟ أنت لا تعلمي؟ إذن معناه then. إذن then. أن لن كي إذن है ना. then لماذا تأخروا. why they are late. لماذا تأخروا. why they are late. yes. do quickly na. नबीहा नदीम. why are you late or why they are late. تأخروا. this is تأخر يتأخر متأخر. تأخر يتأخر from باب تفعل. तो لماذا تأخروا. वाव जमा is showing that this is जमा मुजक्कर गायब सीगा ज़हबू as ज़हबू. من سوق إلى سوق. yes. مشى يمشي. ما معنى مشى يمشي. yeah. today we walked much. min suqin ila suqin, from one market to another market. Hmm. Muta'ayyatun, where is muta'ayyatun? Eh? She also knows taiba yatabu means to be tired, but she is not paying attention, na. Mut'abatun. Mut'abatun, I am tired. Mut'abatun means tired. Yes. Now, the next sentence. Good. Hmm. I am not knowing the meaning of misl. Misl, misal, you are not knowing. Shaima, Shaima, don't interrupt. Read that. That's why I told you to read the chapter carefully, because so many words are there. You know very well. Yes. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Iqdan. 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 Hmm. Mujuharati. Mujuharat. Mujuharati. Mujuharati fi suqi qonat balis. Hmm. Yes. Qonat balis. Hmm. 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 Look. Anas Ahmad. Acha. Chalo. Hmm. Or look, oh Ahmad, look at that lady. Hmm. Ila hazihi sayyadati allati talbasu qamisan ahmara. Hmm. So this you have read. This is a Masood. Hmm. Hmm. Iqdan. That comes necklace. Yes. Necklace of gold. Hmm. Misla allazi shahadnahu. Yes. Misl means like. Misl means like. Yes. Huh. Shahadnahu. Shahada. Mamana shahada yushahidu. Mushahidatan. Yeah. Which we have seen fi zalika, in that place of jewelry, in the market of, in the Connaught Palace market. Connaught Palace market, you know that it is a famous market of Delhi. You know, Connaught Palace is a famous market in Delhi. Yes. Fi suke Connaught Palace. Yes. Hmm. To that lady, here you can say that to that lady hazihi. I want to explain you that hazihi, listen carefully, all of you, don't interrupt. Haza and zalika, these words are you have read that they comes for isme ishara, and haza comes for nearby things, and Zalika comes, which is far away. You have read that? But when we are talking, it is not like that. In fact, if we are talking about any person, anything which is present in our mind, and the listener is also knows very well, है ना, we can use haza for far away things, and zaleka for nearby things, which is present in our mind or not present. Understand? Like, because if it was not like that, we are translating uh, zalikal kitabu la raiba fi. Book is in our hand, Quran is in our hand, but we are reading zalikal kitabu la raiba fi. Why? Because it was very far away from the mind of kuffar. That's why Allah has used zalika for the book which was with Nabi Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and there was no objection about it कि why Quran has used zalika from kuffar. You know, they have so many objections, but no one said कि why zalika is used for the book which is present, which is with Nabi Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but he is saying that zalikal kitabul la raiba fi, because those who are not reading Quran is very far away from them. Here she used zalika for that lady because that lazy lady was present in her mind. See this lady, but we will trans see that lady. Understand? So haza and zalika, sometime it is used according presence of our mind. If something is present in mind, we are saying also uh, I was thinking this. What I was thinking this, I didn't explain. You are not knowing, but it is present in my mind. That's why I am saying I was thinking this. It is very far away from your mind, but it is present in my mind. That's why I am saying I am thinking this. After that, I am completing my words. You know very well, and all of us are using like that. So, hazihi will be translated here that, as if it is coming for the lady which is who is far away. Okay, clear or not clear? So don't be hesitate about this why she has used hazihi. The lady was far away. Okay, Zaid Azam, what you are want to say? I will not one more sentence you have to read. Zaid Azam, you want to read? Yes. No, ma'am. Why book is not there with you? Who raised her hand? Very good. Those who hasn't book, they have they will read properly, है ना? I know very well. Now, the next one. Anyone else? Nabia, mute your mic. Now, anyone else? Anyone else? Is there anyone or not? Afira is not there. Afira, Afira, time is going. Afira is not here. Afira, are you here? Afira is just now. I think she has joined. Huh? Yes. Time is going to be over. Please do read carefully because I want to explain something. Afira, read the sentence. The next sentence. Ahmad, ayyatu maratin. Hmm. Ayyatu maratin. Hmm. Afira. No. Shema, I told you that too much voice is coming from your background. It is disturbing, and you know that very well that recording is going on. Understand? Yes. Yes, Sadqa Shakil, read. Ayyatum ratin. Ayyatum ratin. Yes. Hmm. Ma shabil asmari. Shabil asmari. Sadqa, read. Ajnabiyatun. Naam. Hmm. Shakrao means that fair complexion. है ना? Fair complexion means color is her color is fair. है ना? Having fair color or of fair complexion. Complexion. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Asmar means that whitish color. Asmar is whitish color, brown color, which is the color of Indians. है ना? So whitish color also you can say, or you can say brown color. The young man of brown color fi wastil mat'ami in the middle of the restaurant. Yes. أعتقد أنها أجنبية. Hmm. 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 I am sure. أعتقد, I am sure that she is an foreigner. Ajnabiyatun means strange. It is not coming, beta. It is foreigner. Ajnabiyatun strange comes, but outsider, foreigner, it also comes. So annaha ajnabiyatun, that she is a foreigner. Now, now underline the words I told you. We will discuss about it. Uh, Al maratu shakrao. Ash-shakrao. Uh, this is coming of sifat of al maratu, and you know that colors which are coming at the pattern of ahmaru pattern, their monas will come fa'alau on the pattern of fa'alau, like ahmaru hamrau, monas comes, you know, asmaru samrau. And they colors comes as sifat. Tilkal mar'atu shaqrau, this is masuf sifat. And ashabul asmaru, that's why you can find that al maratu is muannas, so shaqrau came, and ashabu is muzakkar, so asmaru came. Now now clear. Response about it. Kamisan ahmara. Kamisan ahmara also it is came. Unzur ya ahmad ila hazi sayyidati allati kamisan ahmara. أحمر إنها تلبس إقدم من الذهب مثل الذي شاهدناه في ذلك المحل للمجوهرات في سوق قناط पैलेस. अच्छा. Now مطعب. مطعب and مطعبة both are ism file. Both are ism file which is made from with fail. The noun which is made for file on the pattern of muf'ilun. Mashaina. Now, can you pick out that Motal Afal? Quickly, Motal Afal you have to pick out and tell one by one to me. Yes, Motal Afal. I want that you have to tell me one thing I told. Now, I am going from here. Sayakununa mawjudina. Wait a minute. मौजूदीना. मौजूदीना is muhbar, right? Maujudaine. What is the difference between मौजूदीना and मौजूदाine? Yes, tell me. Yes. अरे Shema, I'm telling again and again. Someone is talking on your back loudly. It is a giant's voice. If you can say him to talk slowly or to low voice, so fine. But otherwise, don't open mic. Yes. Afira. Hmm. Maujudaine is for not understanding what you are saying. Maujudaine is for Maujudina is for. Too quickly, beta. Don't take time. Time is not there. You are. You are. What is the. Hmm. Masculine and feminine. No. Masculine to maujudun and feminine maujudatun. Labib Anwar, what are you doing? Now, look carefully. You have read Arab of Musanna and Jama Muzakkar. Maujudaine is coming for Musanna. How I am saying? You will find before ya always there will be fatha and noon will have kasra. This is sign of Musanna in afal also, in noun also. मौजूदाने वलदाने मौजूदाने है ना. In rafa condition it will be मौजूदाने and nasab and jar condition it will be मौजूदाने. Before alif there will always be fatha and noon always be maksur in musanna. And in jama, in rafa condition it will be मौजूदूना with वाव and nasab and jar condition it will be मौजूदीना. In jama there will be kasra before ya and noon will have fatha always. Noon will have fatha always. This is sign of jama. Before kasra, before ya there should be kasra in tasniya, in jama, and in tasniya it will be always fatha. Understand? Jama will be made by adding waw and before waw there will be zamma mawjuduna, and musanna will be made by adding alif and before alif there will be fatha, and this fatha will be there in the halat nasab and jar also. This is nasab and jar condition. This is rafa condition. This is rafa condition of jama with waw and nasab and jar condition with ya. But before ya there will be kasra in jama, or before ya there will be fatha in musanna, and noon always be maftu of jama and noon will always be maksur of musanna. Now it is clear? Is it clear? Tell me quickly because time is not there too much. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. Understand?